Let me be clear, there is genocide taking place in Gaza. The Israeli government are committing war crimes, and that needs to stop. The fighting needs to stop. The hostages need to be handed over unconditionally. We need to get aid into Gaza, and we need to get medical relief and care to the women and children in Gaza. The government have led a very strong campaign in terms of the two-state solution, recognising Palestine, and that needs to continue.
Do you think it was, in the way you framed it last week and phrased it around a military operation, was that incorrect?
Yeah, I've been very clear. This has gone on way too long. Way too long. It just needs to stop.
You're going into an election fighting for Fianna Fáil, yet homelessness are at record numbers. How can you put housing at the centre of your message when your party has utterly failed in that regard?
Yeah, so we all acknowledge, and the party and the government acknowledge it's a big issue. There's a huge focus going on housing. All I can do from my perspective, if I am fortunate enough to get elected, is to keep the pressure, keep the focus on housing. That ultimately needs to be solved.
So are they doing a good job in housing or not?
No, pardon me?
Are they doing a good job in housing?
They're moving forward, but it's not good enough yet. We acknowledge that. Everybody realises that housing needs to be solved, and there's lots of things from a policy perspective that the government, the executive of the country, and Dáil Éireann need to do, and I'll keep highlighting those things.
So just to clarify, it's not good enough what they're doing on housing. Is that what you said? It's not good enough.
It's not good enough now. It needs to be improved.